Meet Teacher Joyce, and like you, she also struggles in mathematics, but that was before. Don't worry, Teacher Joyce is willing to help you. Let us start our mathematics video tutorial. Lesson 3, Part 2, Comparing numbers up to 100,000 using relation symbols. Objective: the learner should be able to compare numbers up to 100,000 using relation symbols. Review. On our previous lesson, we discussed about reading and writing numbers up to 100,000 in symbols and in words. Let's test your mastery by answering the exercises. 11 is in the thousands group, so we can say 11,000. Then 2, 3, and 4 is in the units group, so we can write it as 234. If we put them together, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 can be read and write as 11,234. Now, in this example, we need to write the 55,089 in symbol. To do that, 55 is in the thousands group. Then, 89 is written as 089 in the units group. If we put them together, it can be written as 55,089 or can be read as 55,089. If you still have questions about reading and writing numbers up to 100,000 in symbols and in words, you can click the provided link on the description box below. If you have mastered the previous lesson, let's now start our discussion. Comparing numbers up to 100,000 using relation symbol. In comparing numbers, we use relation symbols such as less than, greater than, or equals. I know, it's confusing to identify greater than or less than because they look similar. But for you to easily remember the symbol, form an L shape using your left hand. The L shape stands for less than. Then, you can again form an L shape using your right hand. And the L shape formed on your right hand stands for greater than. Again, the L shape formed by your left hand is less than. And the L shape formed by your right hand is greater than. Now, let's try to compare numbers. I have here two sets of apples, set A and set B. Let's count the number of apples on each set. For set A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 apples in set A. Let's count the number of apples in set B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 apples in set B. Which set has the greater number of apples? Correct! Set A has a greater number of apples compared to set B. Now, to compare the number, we need to use the relation symbol. Less than, greater than, or equal. Basically, we will not use the equal sign since the two sets do not have the same number of apples. To easily determine which relation symbol we will be using, remember this trick. Note that the open side of the symbol is facing the larger number. So, in this example, 8 is the larger number, and the arrowhead is pointing at the smaller number, which is 5. Therefore, we can read this as 8 is greater than 5. Let's have another example. Let's count the number of ice cream in set A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 ice cream in set A. While on set B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 ice cream in set B. We will compare the number using relation symbol less than, greater than, and equals. We will remove the equal sign from the choices since the two sets do not have the same number of ice cream. Remember the tricks? Note that the open side of the symbol is facing the larger number. So, in this example, 12 is the larger number, and the arrowhead is pointing at the smaller number, which is 7. Therefore, we can read this as 7 is less than 12. How about this example? Let's count the cake in set A. 1, 2, 3. Then let's count the cake in set B. 1, 2, 3. In this example, both of the sets have the same number of cake. Therefore, we will use equal sign. What if we don't have picture to look in comparing numbers? Let's compare 21 and 39. In this example, you will compare the number from the left. Which is bigger, 2 or 3? Correct. 3 is bigger. Therefore, 21 is less than 39. To write the correct symbol, note that the open side of the symbol is facing the larger number, which is 39, and the arrowhead is pointing at the smaller number, which is 21. So we can read it as 21 is less than 39. What if we are comparing large numbers? Let us compare 69,480 and 69,272. This time, we will use a place value chart. Let's first put each digit to the place value chart. Then, let us compare the digit by its place value. Make sure to start from the digit with the highest place value. Both of the numbers in 10,000s digit is 6. So, they are equal. Both of the numbers in the thousands digit is 9. So, they are equal. The numbers in hundreds digit is 4 and 2. 4 is larger than 2. Therefore, 69,480 is greater than 69,272. Note that the open side of the symbol is facing the larger number, which is 69,480. And the arrowhead is pointing at the smaller number, which is 69,272. Let's compare another numbers. 23,572 and 23,592. We will again use a place value chart. But before that, let us first write 23,592 in symbol, and it is written as 23,592. Now, we will put each digit to the place value chart. Then, let us compare the digit by its place value. Make sure to start from the digit with the highest place value. Both of the numbers in 10,000's digit is 2. So, they are equal. Both of the numbers in the thousands digit is 3. So, they're again equal. Both of the numbers in hundreds digit is 5. So, they are equal. The numbers in the tens digit is 9 and 7. 9 is larger than 7. Therefore, 23,572 is smaller than 23,592. Note that the open side of the symbol is facing the larger number, which is 23,592, and the arrowhead is pointing at the smaller number, which is 23,572. Therefore, 23,572 is less than 23,592. How do we compare numbers? What symbols do we use? To compare numbers, compare the digit in the highest place value. If they are equal, go to the next place value. If they are not, determine the number which is greater or less. We use the symbol less than, equals, and greater than to compare numbers. To check your mastery, in 5 minutes, I want you to compare numbers up to 100,000 using relation symbols. Ready? Your timer starts now. Let's check your work. Number 1. 34,385 is greater than 34,354. Number 2. 23,768 is less than 23,786. Number 3. 20,100 is greater than 20,001. Number 4. 7,005 is equal to 7,005. Number 5. 19,047 is less than 19,407. Do you got a perfect score? Excellent! That's all for today. Once again, this is your teacher Joy saying, ang mahirap na math problems ay kaya nating padaliin. See you on our next lesson. Bye-bye!